You are an office relocation professional and your client has engaged your company to move their offices to a different location. Moving can be a hassle and a challenge. If it's not done right, things can get out of hand. It can take days, if not weeks, for the client to get settled and be productive in their new office. Look at all of the items that need to be transported, including files, boxes, desks, and computers. How are you going to identify each and every item? How do you make sure they get to the right office? Easily identify each item with pre-printed removable stickers that reference the building, floor, room number, and item number from your manifest. You can also purchase blank sticker sheets and print anything you want on them using our free online sticker design software or a Word template. Even add a barcode for each item for easy tracking. Plus, you will never need to worry about My Removable Stickers leaving a sticky mess on your furniture or computers. You can scan each sticker at the point of origin and again at its final destination. As you unpack and get organized, the moving labels can be easily peeled from any item and leave no sticky residue. We offer 6 border colors, making it easier for your handlers to identify the floor, room, and item for each office. Simplify and organize your move with My Removable Stickers.